Hi, this is Ahmed Charlie, and in this video I'll be talking about technology integration and previously taught lesson. A quick class and course overview. I taught the lesson in Montana State University, more specifically in the lab at Lewis Hall, right here where the Department of Microbiology is. The class I taught was Micro 360, which is a 5 credits general microbiology course. This class is one of the required classes that students major in microbiology take in their sophomore year. The lab consisted of 30 students who come to the lab twice a week, and each lab was 2 hours in length. And the content of the selected lab I taught was focusing on microbial growth, on selective and differential media. The technology integration in this lab included first period to lab video and quiz, and the video was generated by me using ScreenFlow, which is a screen recording and video editing software. Then it was uploaded to the YouTube so that students can watch it before coming to the lab. After watching the video, students were given a quiz that I generated using Google Forms that covers the main points or the main concept presented in the video. The lab report, every 2 students were writing a report together using Google Doc to write their weekly lab report. The videos will help students towards being self-paced and self-directed learners. This in turn helps students who are less familiar with the topic or whom English is not their first language to rewind the video if needed, so that they comprehend the content at their own pace. The pre-class quiz allow me to assess students' understanding of the content provided in the video. Being able to assess the students' knowledge in advance of the class time will help me to identify areas that requires emphasis during the lab time, which allow me to know what in lab time adjustment to make. Also, the pre-lab quiz allow the students themselves to be aware of their learning. Students will bring the information they couldn't understand to the lab so that we can go over them together before starting the experiment related to the content. In lab, students will be working in groups of 4 throughout the lab time. The group-based activities in the lab help students towards cooperative and collaborative learning, which will encourage the student-to-student engagement. After the lab and by using Google Doc for writing the report, students do not have to sit together to write it. Instead, they can be anywhere to work on it effectively. By considering the same model of technology integration, the use of Google Doc enables students to accomplish both enhancement and transformation level. At the substitutional stage of the enhancement level, students will be able to replace the use of the paper and pen to write the report with using Google Doc. And at the augmentation stage of the enhancement level, students will be able to access Google Doc from anywhere to write the report, and they will be able to share the reports with me or with others. And as for the modification stage of the transformation level, students will be actively collaborating in writing and leaving comments on the report as a feedback in real time.